Hi there, this is Rox, and welcome back to Talks with Rox. Today's episode is extra personal kasi kaka-birthday ko lang. I just turned 29. And instead of doing a typical birthday post or a celebration, which nagawa ko naman siya few days before I filmed this episode, I just want to share something real. Yung walang filter. Walang pa-perfect. Just lessons from someone who's still learning how to rise and glow on their own. And the title of our podcast today is what we call She Rises and She Glows, 9 Lessons at 29. This is the Talks with Rox birthday special episode. So, talking about She Rises and She Glows. So, kung ikaw ay yung tao na, alam mo yon, currently nasa healing season pa, in your soft era, or you're just trying to survive one day at a time, this one's for you. So let me share to you the 9 life lessons I've learned about rising and glowing independently at 29. Number 1, don't dim your light. Hindi mo kailangan magpakaliit para lang magkasya sa mundo ng iba. Your light is meant to shine. And the right people, hindi sila masasaktan sa liwanag. Mas lalo silang maeengganyo. Number 2, healing isn't linear. Minsan, akala mo naka-move on ka na, then, boom, triggered ka ulit. Pero kahit ganon, every step you take is still a progress. Pagsikat ng araw, may panibagong chance para bumangon. Number 3, your self-worth is greater than confidence. Hindi mo kailangang patunayan ang halaga mo sa iba. Alam mo kung sino ka. And that silent confidence, mas malakas pa sa kahit anong pampaganda o papogi points. Number 4, peace is power. Hindi lahat ng laban dapat sinasalihan. Hindi lahat ng ingay dapat pinakikinggan. Minsan, ang tunay na glow mo ay nasa tahimik mong katahimikan. Number 5, independence is earned. Yung pagiging independent, hindi lang yan sa bayarin o pagiging mag-isa. It's knowing yourself, standing firm with your choices, and rising kahit walang audience. Number 6, love yourself the way you love others. Bakit laging kulang yung binibigay mo sa sarili mo, pero buo pag sa iba? You deserve the same kindness, patience, and love na binubuhos mo sa ibang tao. And being single isn't lonely. It's liberating. Number 7, growth requires goodbye. Hindi lahat ng kasama mo sa simula makakarating sa dulo. And that's okay. Saying goodbye isn't hate. It's healing. It's choosing you. Number 8, every version of you deserves love. Yes, even the confused, broken, and the lost version. Yung taong nagtiyaga kahit pagod. Yung taong nagbigay kahit wala nang natira. They helped you become this version of you. Honor them. Number 9. You are the miracle. Ilang beses ka nang muntik bumitaw, pero andito ka pa rin. Hindi ka perfect, pero buhay, umaasa, lumalaban, at higit sa lahat, nag-iilaw. So, here's to the person I've become, and to every person out there finding their way. May we always rise. May we always glow. And may we never forget. Tayo mismo ang himala na hinihintay natin. Thank you for joining me on this birthday reflection. This is Rox Araneta, and this has been Talks with Rox. Till next time, always remember, alagaan mo ang sarili mo. At huwag kakalimutan, keep glowing.